Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of this system is the Intel Core i5-14400F processor, featuring 10 cores and a base speed of 2.5 GHz. This CPU is part of Intel's latest 14th generation lineup, known for solid multitasking and gaming performance. With 10 cores, you can expect smooth gameplay even when streaming or running multiple applications in the background. Paired with this powerful CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card with 8 GB of dedicated GDDR6 memory. This GPU is perfect for running modern AAA games at high settings and supports ray tracing for more realistic lighting and shadows. Whether you're playing popular titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, or Elden Ring, the RTX 5060 will deliver crisp visuals and stable frame rates. The system includes 16 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz, which means fast loading times and seamless multitasking. DDR5 is the newest standard in memory technology, providing higher bandwidth and improved efficiency compared to DDR4. You won't have to worry about lag or slowdowns, even with demanding games or creative software. Storage is no slouch either. You get a massive 2 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe solid-state drive. This ultra-fast SSD dramatically reduces load times, allowing your games, apps, and files to launch almost instantly. The PCIe 4.0 interface offers double the bandwidth of PCIe 3.0, future-proofing your system for the next generation of games and software. Connectivity is comprehensive with multiple USB ports, including 2 USB-C 3.2 ports and several USB-A ports, making it easy to plug in your peripherals like controllers, headsets, or external drives. It also features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections for online gaming, streaming, and connecting wireless devices. The design is sleek and gamer-centric, featuring a tempered glass side panel so you can admire the custom RGB lighting inside. It adds a stylish flair to your gaming setup while allowing easy access for upgrades or maintenance. You'll also receive a gaming keyboard and mouse included with the system, so you're ready to jump right into your favorite games without delay. CyberPowerPC backs this build with a 1-year parts and labor warranty along with free lifetime technical support, giving you peace of mind that help is available whenever you need it. Overall, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC balances powerful hardware, speed, and affordability in a compact, stylish package. It's well suited for gamers who want solid 1080p and 1440p performance, VR enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a versatile desktop for gaming and productivity. If you want a reliable, fast, and future-proof gaming PC that can handle today's most demanding titles with ease, this is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gaming PC reviews and tech updates.